Most of us work for about 35 years but spend at least 15 years in retirement without active income. Yet, how many actually plan for this phase? Many retirees struggle financially, often depending on their children for even basic expenses. But shouldn't retirement be about security and not stress? Today, in this video, we will reveal the investment secret that ensures a wealthy, worry-free retirement. So let's get started. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. Many delay retirement planning, focusing first on their children's education and marriage. But waiting too long means you will have less time to save, forcing you to invest huge amounts in your 50s or even 55s. So let's break it down. If you start investing at 50 and aim to build a solid retirement corpus in 10 years, you will need to invest 43,050 rupees per month, assuming a 12% return, that is. But if you delay even further and only have 5 years left, your required monthly investment jumps to 1,21,230 rupees. That's unrealistic for most people. Wouldn't be wiser to start early and invest smaller amounts over a longer period? The earlier you start investing, the easier it is to build wealth. Let's take an example. Two friends like Jagannath and Dinesh joined a company together at the same salary. Jagannath started investing 5,000 rupees per month for his retirement from day one. Dinesh waited until age 35, then invested 15,000 rupees per month, 3x what Jagannath invested. Now, assuming a 12% annual return, who do you think accumulated more wealth by age 60? Despite investing less money, Jagannath ended up wealthier. Why? The power of compounding and time. Even with lower monthly contributions, a longer investment period gave Jagannath the edge. Meanwhile, Dinesh had to invest more money but still ended up with less wealth. So the key lesson is start now. Even a small amount grows into a massive corpus over time. Think of your investments like farming. If you plant a tree yearly, it grows strong and bears abundant fruit over time. Similarly, your investments need time to generate higher returns. The sooner you invest, the greater your financial reward. So why delay your financial goals? Start investing today. So what is the final takeaway from this video? A wealthy retirement doesn't happen by accident. It requires planning, consistency, and time. So start early, invest consistently, and let compounding to do the magic. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your retirement today. And if you need help with your retirement planning, click the link in our description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners. So like, share, and subscribe for more such expert financial tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.